DC adapter model 0400-059 and the Informer Deluxe model 81791 only. An optional accessory for the Microtech Informer Deluxe is the AC/DC power supply. This can be used to reduce the need for frequently replacing batteries in resident rooms where AC power is located near the bed. Simply plug the power transformer into an AC outlet that is not controlled by a switch. Plug the other end into the bottom of the unit marked DC adapter. It is recommended to place a battery inside the monitor when using the AC/DC power supply. Although the Informer Deluxe will run off the power supply when a battery is installed, if the power supply cable becomes unplugged from the monitor or there is a power failure, the battery will keep the unit operating.